Alright. We need to find each of these trig ratios, these four, as simplified fractions. Jocelyn, tell us one. Sine of 30?
Yeah.
Which two sides is sine? Yeah. What's our silly phrase? Jocelyn?
I can't say that.
There it is. So, pay attention. The 30-degree angle is coming from up here. What is the opposite side from there, Jocelyn? And the hypotenuse? 4 is the hypotenuse of the triangle. 3/4 is your correct answer. Raise your hand if you got that. So it's going to move around, right? You guys got to pay attention. GSCV. There you are. Pick one. Echo? Sine of 90? Which two sides? Okay, so let's go to the 90-degree angle. What's the opposite side from here? So if you go across from the 90-degree angle, you go the opposite side, right? That's a 4. And what is the hypotenuse of the triangle? 4/4 is? 1. Raise your hand if you got that. It's kind of weird, but it's all going to come true this semester. Charlotte? Cosine of 60. Which two sides? A over H. What is the adjacent side from here? Remember, adjacent means next to. Yeah. So 3. And here's, you got to know that this has to be, not this one, because that's the hypotenuse, right? And your hypotenuse? Oh, raise your hand if you got 3/4. Oh, look at that. They have the same answer. Looks like they are cofunctions. Cofunctions are complementary, which we'll learn later in the semester. Sine of 30 is the same thing as cosine of 60. And the last one, Kiana. Tangent of B. Let's highlight this color, B. Which two sides is tangent? Kiana, are you here?
Oh, opposite over.
Yep, right there. What's the opposite side of B? Radical 10. And the adjacent?
3.
3 is correct. And that's simplified, right? 10 radical 3 is our answer. And I asked you guys a bonus question. Eduardo, do you know anything what's wrong with this triangle? Something to do with the 3 and the 4. Possibly. Michelle? And Jaime. Let's put that in my calculator. Radical 10. 3.16. 3.17. Maybe it does work. Repeat after me. Smallest angle, smallest side. Say it. What do you think I'm going to say for this one? Biggest angle, biggest side. Okay. Does that work? And what do you think we're going to say for this one? Medium angle, medium side. Does that work? How about if I did Pythagorean Theorem? 3 squared plus radical 10 squared equals 4 squared. Three squared is 9. Radical 10 squared is radical 10 times radical 10 is radical 100, which is 10. And then that is 16. It's not blurry. See?
9 plus 10 is 19.
And class is 19 equals 16. Oh. So what's wrong with this triangle? Based on the side lengths, it's actually not a right triangle. But I just made up the numbers, and we just practice it. So that's what's wrong with the triangle. It's actually not a right triangle based off these numbers. But if I just simply gave you the problem and I just said, based off this picture, thinking it's true, find that information.